So does social networking replace face-to-face networking? That's one of the myths that we bust. Of course, social networks are indeed brilliant for starting out and building connections. In fact, we can build connections with people that we wouldn't ordinarily ever have the opportunity to meet. Perhaps people in far-flung parts of the world that we ordinarily wouldn't be able to connect with. And what's great about social networking is that we can build those relationships and then take that initial relationship into more of a face-to-face business relationship. And that might still be in the digital environment. That might still be via Zoom, or indeed it might be getting offline and actually meeting physically face-to-face for a coffee and a catch-up. Social networks are a fantastic starting point. They don't necessarily replace that whole business relationship because people still want to see the whites of the eyes when it gets into building more meaningful business relationships, but they are a fantastic starting point.